The 2026 Porsche Cayenne has emerged as a bold redefinition of what an SUV can represent. Renowned for its sports cars, Porsche continues to push boundaries with the Cayenne, offering not just a vehicle, but an experience that seamlessly blends luxury, performance, and technological sophistication. Positioned to elevate the luxury SUV market, the 2026 Cayenne is more than just a car. It's a lifestyle statement that embodies power, elegance, and cutting-edge innovation, a bold new design. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne introduces a transformative design that marries Porsche's legacy with a forward-thinking aesthetic. While staying true to its recognizable form, the new model amplifies its presence with modern enhancements that appeal to both loyal enthusiasts and new audiences. Exterior enhancements. The Cayenne's exterior reflects a more aggressive and muscular demeanor. The front fascia features a larger, more pronounced grille that exudes dominance on the road. Sharp lines and sculpted surfaces enhance its dynamic profile, while redesigned headlights with advanced LED technology provide an unmistakable signature look. To the rear, the Cayenne adopts a full-width LED taillight strip, inspired by the Porsche Taycan. This addition not only modernizes the vehicle's appearance, but also creates a visual connection to Porsche's electric ambitions. Larger wheels and expanded wheel arches emphasize the SUV's sporty character, combining aesthetics with functional aerodynamics. Aerodynamic precision. Beyond mere aesthetics, the design changes significantly impact performance. The aerodynamic refinements reduce drag and improve handling at high speeds. Porsche engineers have worked meticulously to ensure that every curve and edge serves a purpose, reinforcing the Cayenne's reputation as a high-performance luxury SUV. Personalization options. Porsche offers an extensive array of customization options to suit individual preferences. From bespoke paint finishes to unique interior trims, buyers can create a Cayenne that truly reflects their personality. These options ensure that the Cayenne remains as distinctive as its driver, power, and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Cayenne offers a diverse range of powertrain options that cater to varying preferences, from traditional internal combustion engines to cutting-edge electrification. Engine options. The base model retains a turbocharged V6 engine, delivering a balance of power and fuel efficiency. For enthusiasts craving high-octane thrills, the high-performance V8 variant provides explosive acceleration and a captivating exhaust note that Porsche aficionados cherish. Both engines are paired with advanced transmission systems to ensure seamless power delivery and exceptional responsiveness. Electrification excellence. Porsche takes a significant step forward with its plug-in hybrid variant, combining electric and combustion power for a versatile and environmentally conscious driving experience. This hybrid model offers impressive torque and acceleration while reducing emissions, appealing to a growing segment of eco-conscious consumers. All-electric innovation. Perhaps the most exciting addition is the fully electric Cayenne, constructed on Porsche's premium platform electric (PP). With a projected range exceeding 300 miles, this electric SUV addresses range anxiety while delivering the instant torque and acceleration that only electric powertrains can achieve. The all-electric model not only showcases Porsche's commitment to sustainability, but also sets a new benchmark for performance in the electric SUV category. Luxurious interior. Step inside the 2026 Cayenne, and you'll find a cabin that redefines luxury. Combining Porsche's signature craftsmanship with the latest in automotive technology, the interior is a sanctuary of comfort and sophistication. Design and materials. Premium materials, including fine leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber, create an ambience of understated opulence. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide maximum comfort, whether navigating city streets or embarking on long road trips. Customizable ambient lighting adds a touch of personalization, allowing drivers to tailor the interior to their mood. Technology integration. The Cayenne's dashboard features a sleek, high-resolution touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with Porsche's advanced infotainment system. Drivers can enjoy wireless connectivity, voice-activated controls, and an array of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist. The digital cockpit offers a customizable display, ensuring that essential information is always within easy reach. Passenger comfort. With ample legroom and versatile seating configurations, the Cayenne accommodates passengers with ease. The rear seats can be folded down to expand cargo space, making it a practical choice for families and adventurers alike. Advanced climate control systems ensure that every passenger enjoys optimal comfort, regardless of external conditions. Safety and innovation. The 2026 Cayenne takes safety to new heights with a comprehensive suite of advanced features designed to protect both driver and passengers. Driver assistance features. The SUV comes equipped with cutting-edge technologies, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure warning. A 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. Structural integrity. Built with high-strength materials, the Cayenne's frame ensures maximum protection in the event of a collision. Porsche's engineers have also incorporated crumple zones and reinforced side impact protection, prioritizing safety without compromising performance. Autonomous driving. The Cayenne incorporates semi-autonomous driving capabilities, allowing for hands-free operation in specific scenarios. These features not only enhance convenience, but also reduce driver fatigue, particularly on long journeys. Pricing and availability. While Porsche has yet to disclose official pricing, industry experts estimate that the base model will start at around $70,000. Higher trims, particularly the electric variant, are expected to command a premium, reflecting their advanced features and superior performance. Release timeline. The 2026 Cayenne is slated to arrive in dealerships by late 2025, giving prospective buyers ample time to prepare for its release. Porsche enthusiasts and luxury SUV fans alike are eagerly awaiting this milestone in automotive innovation. Value proposition. Despite its premium price tag, the Cayenne delivers exceptional value through its combination of performance, luxury, and advanced technology. Porsche ensures that every detail contributes to an unparalleled ownership experience.